Tired of losing your headers as you scroll through endless rows and columns of data in Excel? Well, let's fix that. This video will show you how to easily freeze the top row and first column in Excel so you can keep those all-important headers in view no matter how far you scroll. First, navigate to the View tab on the Excel ribbon. You'll find it right up at the top of your screen. Next, look for the Freeze Panes button in the window group and click the drop-down arrow right below it. To freeze just the top row, which is typically where your column headers are located, simply select Freeze Top Row from the drop-down menu. Now, when you scroll down your spreadsheet, you'll see that the top row remains visible, making it much easier to keep track of your data. To freeze only the first column, which often contains labels or identifiers, select Freeze First Column from the Freeze Panes menu. As you scroll to the right, the first column will stay locked in place, keeping your labels right where you need them. But what if you want to freeze both the top row and the first column at the same time? This is especially useful when you have both row and column headers you want to keep in view. To do this, select the cell below the top row and to the right of the first column. In most cases, that's going to be cell B2. Now, go back to the Freeze Panes drop-down menu and this time, select the first option, which is just Freeze Panes. Voila! Now, both your top row and first column are frozen, allowing you to easily navigate and analyze your data no matter how large your spreadsheet is. If you ever want to unfreeze your panes, simply go back to the Freeze Panes menu and select Unfreeze Panes, and that's all there is to it.